PPI Technologies Group is a packaging machinery company. This is a pre-made pouch full seal machine. We partnered with Cognex and Teknical Group to come up with a solution for us to provide a vision system on our equipment based on the challenges we were seeing with print and OCR recognition.
Typically with OCR, the industry standard right now is about 95% accuracy for the decode rate. And for applications like this where these lines are running at 50 to 100 bags per minute, that rate just isn't acceptable for a lot of the customers. So until recently, this has been a problem that we really couldn't approach. But since Cognex released ViDi, really what we've seen is kind of an order of magnitude increase in performance that has allowed us to go after this particular application. What's great about Cognex products is that they take what the current state-of-the-art, the best algorithms that are out there, and they really improve upon them, and then they package them in a way that we can deploy them to the field very quickly.